Hello friends, and welcome to Load of Crock's 2-minute makes. On this 2-minute make, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy holiday treat. Anybody else feel a little bit punchy this time of the year? You know, like punchy? Yeah, because on this 2-minute make, we're going to be throwing together a super easy and really tasty holiday punch. For this recipe, you'll need ginger ale, orange juice, cranberry juice, and pineapple juice. In a pitcher, combine 2 cups of cranberry juice, 2 cups of orange juice, 1 cup of pineapple juice, and finally 1 cup of ginger ale. Mix these all together and either chill in the fridge or serve over ice. Okay, friends, that's it. That's the quick, easy, and tasty holiday punch. But wait, there's more. Hold on to your Santa hats. It's going to get crazy. For those of you 21 and older, here's a substitution. If you'd like the drink to be alcoholic, instead of using the ginger ale, throw in a bottle of champagne. What? I know, it's true. Again, if you're 21 and older, and that will substitute the bubbly of the ginger ale for the bubbly in the champagne. I know, who knew? Thanks to those of you that are watching this Load of Crock channel. Hope everyone has a safe and lovely holiday season and enjoy this punch. It's fun, it's fruity, it's punchy.